Good morning, student. Today this is my continuation video of conditional probability. I already sent you the PDF of the conditional probability. Okay, please open this. Today I will explain the exercise 10.2. Come to the first question. Compute probability A given B when probability of A is 1 by 5, probability of B is 2 by 5 and probability of A union B is this. Write down the formula. Probability of A under the condition of B. That means the probability of conditional probability of occurrence of event A when B has already occurred. Then formula is this. Okay, you know already. Then write down probability of A union B, probability of A plus probability of B. You have to subtract the common portion because here not mention A B mutually exclusive. That means mutually exclusive means there is no common part in between A and B, but not mention means there must be some common part. So you subtract the common part. Why? When you have taken probability of A that and probability of B, that means already taken their common part. No need to subtract it again. If here it is mentioned A B disjoint, then no need to write this part. Only you write plus portion, probability of A plus probability of B. Okay, now change the side. Okay, put the value, you will get the result. Okay, now second one also read. Probability of A is this, probability of B value is given, probability of B under the condition of A is this. You have to calculate 1, 2 and 3. Okay, you understood the format. Value is given to you using the formulas what I already told you, already explained. You have to remember this. You using this formula you have to calculate the value. Okay, now this is the application part. Now point number 1, probability of B given A, that means under the condition of A, that means this condition already occurred. That means probability of B union A or A union B is same by probability of A equal to this. Okay, now probability of A value is given to you this, put the value, that means A intersection B is this. Come to next one, probability of A, probability of conditional probability of occurrence of event A when B has already occurred. B has already occurred. Now your sample space here B. Okay, now that means total outcome here B. Okay, to your sample space, and in your favorable condition is this A intersection B. Okay, now that means number of outcome favorable to A intersection B by number of outcome favorable to B. Okay, now put the value. A intersection B already calculated this, and probability of B is this. Okay, now come to third one, probability of A union B, probability of A plus probability of B. Now my subtract the common part because they have not mentioned whether they have mutually exclusive or not. That means you assume they are not mutually exclusive. Okay, that means there is mutually exclusive means there is no common part. Okay, and not means there must be some common part. That means you have when you are taking probability of A and this, that means already taken the common part, no need to subtract it again. And probability of A union B, put the individual value, you will get the result. Okay, now next you read next sum. I hope you understood this. Now come to the problem sum. This is the another format. Problem will be given to you. You have to frame the equation by own. Now read the question. 60% student read Hindi newspaper. That means probability of Hindi I denote as a capital H. Probability of 8 is 60%, and 60 by 100, that means 6 by 10. Now 40% 20% student read Tamil newspaper. That means P of T is 4/10. Then 20% student read both. Both means Hindi and Tamil. That means this is the common part. Probability of H intersection T is 2/10. Okay, come to 1. Tamil newspaper, given that he has already read Hindi newspaper. He had already read Hindi newspaper. That means probability of T by H. Okay, your condition is already read Hindi newspaper. Under this condition, you calculate probability of T. That means formula is this. Okay, now write down the values already calculated. You will get the result. Okay, now T, that means 2 Hindi newspaper, given that he has already, your condition is already read Tamil newspaper. Condition already read Tamil. That means T is in denominator. T is your sample space denominator, not equal to 0. This is the formula. Then put the value. Then next come 3. Neither Hindi nor Tamil newspaper. Neither means complement. That means probability of H complement intersection T complement. Okay, now use the De Morgan's theorem. Individual complement means total complement. If it is intersection, then write union. Then complement of this means you have to subtract the original thing from total probability, 1 minus of this. Now not mention disjoint or not, then if you take minus the, what is the formula of this? Only this much. Probability of H union T. Probability of H plus probability of T minus common portion probability of H intersection T. Since minus is there, then sign will going to change. Okay, since they have not mentioned they are mutually exclusive or not, so you subtract this. Subtract this portion, and then you put the individual value, you will get the result. Okay, I hope all of you understood this. Thank you.